saying shit. It's like you have no voice. Box myself out that box that you put me in. From the Bible Belt where most people are scared of sin. They just count to 10 and wish all they devils away. But somewhere in my life, I just let them play. So somewhere between the drugs, alcohol, and the women, they telling me I'm sinning. I'm telling them I'm winning, and it's just the beginning. So call it chapter 1, and when this chapter's done, this unsung hero will take his righteous place amongst kings. I know the stones they throw and all the agony it brings, but I figure it's worth it when a nigga gets to purchase sports cars like he's some kind of sports star. LeBronin, instead of just pondering, wondering what the next move is. Man, they be so clueless. Rolling with the homies, say what's up as if they know me, but they don't. And then they say they call you, but now shout it, they won't. I'm trying to roll my rights before my craft takes flight into the night. Lemons, lime, Sprite, the life